Give this to Uti. Give this to Uti. And say Happy Easter.
Oh, thank you.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, UT.
There you go.
Happy Easter, UT. What do you say, huh?
This one's for Papa. Give that to Papa. Good boy. Push it over to him.
Right.
Push it over to him. Say Happy
Take it.
Easter.
Thank you.
Happy Easter, Papa. And this one's for
Maybe
Grammy. You give Grammy her Easter basket. You hold it so tight.
Okay.
Ready? Give Grammy your Easter basket.
Thank you.
Good boy. And this one's for Uncle Ryan. Give Uncle Ryan his Easter basket. Yes.
You can open it.
Come over here, honey.
I'm right here. She got me there.
You want the peanut butter?
Right.
I have peanut butter.
So I could eat it.
Say
Have
hi.
as many M&Ms.
Say hi, honey.
Bye.
Gotta count the eggs.
Easter.
I hope you with Tommy go too.